come out, guy. Thank God, though. Now me nearly become the laughing stock, oh. Bro, I dey plan show they plan me. Everybody they say, I'm not sure I will be around. I'm not sure I will be around. Everybody who wants a table to, I'm not sure. What's that your date again? I'm not sure I will be around. I'm not sure I will be around. So he can't reach one point. I can't say even myself, you know, they around. We never reach 100 days inside this year. A lot don't they happen. A lot. Last year, I'm happy. You go to Burna Boy, they put on for saying, Mama can't beg. You people should help me beg Burna Boy to release my song. So Burna Boy get Mama. So you get mother. And she they look you for social media, all those things where they do. Any of them, this get 30,000 and now I'm married. So you get Mama. Bro, a lot happened last year. The next thing we'll see now, I am choosing. I like say that choosing thing rain because almost every time now NSPP did the rain. What God cannot do, see them. Go club with girl and I go do things, smoke shisha, do everything, come back house. She go use her mouth to do things, finish. She go say, "May you sleep small." Open eye, the girl need to sleep. Why are you not sleeping now? She go say, "It's almost my prayer time." With this same mouth. And then for morning, they'll go write for WhatsApp. The Lord has finally settled me and my family. What God cannot do. After 20 minutes, that same girl will write that thing. God will tell you, can I get 20,000 from you? You will God just settle you and your family. Yeah, I won't get and give you. Oh boy, no. A lot happen, no. They do it, they ask people questions, they answer one, they resign. Can they say on a serious note, that is, you and who they do class lesson, who they follow you write notes. I'm not the one. We know you're not the one. You're only do. We have very dark man, we have the one. The next thing I say, Chika Ike do it. If they use it for girls play, come be girl, we get Ike for her name. You know what Ike? Power. If you not done it, you know she go there. You know, I know be Nollywood actor. You know, every time you go be lead role. You go be supporting leads. Not Chika Ike be. You know, say for Regina, their house now, if they want to do money devotion, anybody will just start that song. Ike, they go say, stop that rubbish song. No Ike in this house. Ike, the Nike, Chika, Kareria. Data on the course. Bro, I don't know how much be data now. No, big men, no go really. I understand how much be data. The way data cost now, girl go do better, they go say, send me your picture. You go forward 32 pictures from the photographer. Make her use and print your obituary. Girl go still get mine. They say, can you sub for me? Waiting they sub. Mama, okay now. Do me data. Before I go do any get data now, I go make sure say I me the data. Bro, it's crazy, yo. See this life where they are rich money. I want to pick this thing. This life where they enjoy life, we'll try not to die, yo. You know, this is where Mobile die. All of us will try our best. We don't move on. Even the guy where they complain say he treat him badly, you know, do him where he sign him, intimidate him. The guy just leave us sometime. Now he come outside. Now he don't do another song. He dey mock all of us. I'm back. Man, no dance now. Don't die. Girls don't use mobile song. They advertise waist trainer. Ask about me. Waiting be this one like this. Bro, that is crazy. Now the only thing we will bring end, where you will not say hope, no day again. And one thing where they baffle me, why this a person die? Everybody will die and accord to glory. He lived a good life. All those bad people they die. Tell us what kill them so that we will learn. Now wickedness, write down for obituary. Write down for the poster, you won't die late. No others there now. That's mad though. I follow one of my guy in girlfriend brother died. Now follow and go to burial. After burial, the girl don't cry. So we lodge somewhere close to their house. The girl don't cry, tired. So after the burial, she come back to the hotel, we just gist, console her. She and her boyfriend enter room, me enter room. She supposed to go sleep. Girl away they mourn. After 5 minutes, they begin mourn. Who don't die, Baba. Try not to die, you, Baba. You know, say this life, who get 2 liters for fuel and then they start with foreplay. Jeng, fuel will soon finish, you. They say, check your wife, do DNA. You know, say when you go do DNA, the results come out. They can't say true, now you get the bikini. You can't the say you don't spend money. Say, but this bikini resemble me. Why I go spend this kind of money now? Wait, bros. Okay. Wait, now he really did here. All this way they talk. Wow. Bros R&D. Forever living products. That the man young now. You know, say, get away with me and bros go stand now. Say, girls go full and leave me. See them. They play. When I don't go fit athlete role, I walk up pass. Bros, they fresh every day. See, RMD now. I'm not knowing age. Fresh man. They tell them, she went to go remove hand for batting. They know they hear. When you do normal thing, your mind go day, everywhere go, Lagos just hard anyhow. Traffic everywhere. You go wake up, order for breakfast, you go arrive as lunch. So far, full everywhere. Even girls, they follow filler now, bro. Go give girl money for Uber, she go enter halfway, trek halfway. I go outside to go carry Stella, her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Me no one lost so. They suffer, they serious. My family members they here, they can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Girls now, all those girls where they say Team Natural, I go ask and what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now, I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Baba girls too, they follow suffer this thing though. Girl go chop corn and pear, post them, come they say craving satisfied. You get another food. Show us spaghetti when you don't feel like a job. They crazy. Craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Boy go suffer, collect a number, I no go remember to call her again, bro. Everybody they move on. Boy girls well, correct girls do this Nigeria shabba. Then few. Nigeria we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you dey, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say, well, they find better girl with them train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date girl away. Now so now. You know before comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, then they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl see Bill last week, said she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.